All right, we got this TIC SCA forklift seat and tractor seat. We're gonna open it up, see how it looks, see what all it comes with. Right here is all its mounting withs. Everything is capable to be adjusted to mount up to. Right. Alright, it is pretty soft. It should have seat belts and armrest. Armrest 1. Armrest 2. And the seat belts. Alright, so if you look at the back of it, it does have the seat sensor already pre-installed. You just got to wire it up to your unit. Armrests do fold. You have your seat belts. It's going to go on one mounting side. Buckler, and then the belts. Right? So it's a cheaper alternative than putting a factory Bobcat seat in. So that's what we're going to go with. I said I'll see what it looks like. We'll install it at a later time.